Hello, SCK-SCC students. I'm Ellen McCloskey, and I'm here to talk to you about cyberbullying prevention. What is cyberbullying? According to Holiday 2010, cyberbullying is the repeated use of technology to harass, humiliate, or threaten. Why do students cyberbully? Fraser 2013 states that students cyberbully because of hate, anger, envy, insecurity, and peer pressure. The effects of cyberbullying. Cyber Shalom 2017 suggests that students who have been cyberbullied may engage in the following. They might be depressed, they might skip school, they might have bad grades, they might have bad health, they might become bullies themselves, and they may give up. There's various types of cyberbullying, and the following are the top 10 forms of cyberbullying: exclusion, harassment, outing, cyberstalking, fraping, fake profiles, dissing, trickery, trolling, and catfishing. There's various statistics behind cyberbullying, but cyberbullying has increased from 7.9% to 12% from 2010 to 2016. And according to the First Sight Guide 2020, the most common types of online harassment are sexual remarks, online rumors, mean comments, and then the other category. 64% of victims say they know the person who is cyberbullying them. 6% of boys report being bullied online compared to 15% of girls. From a poll of 20,000, 70% of students said that someone spread rumors about them online. And 95% of teens in the U.S. are online, and many access the internet on their cell phone. When we're looking at cyberbullying, we should also look at cyberbullying in the law to see how, when students are engaging in this, that it can stretch far beyond making people feel bad, but it can also get them into a large amount of legal trouble. And so students want to make sure that they are aware of their behavior and speech, to make sure that they are not creating a substantial interference with anyone else's education. And because the school has been able to recently discipline for both on-campus and off-campus cyberbullying that has occurred. Students want to also make sure that they're aware of the websites that they're creating. There's been some cases as of late where there's been web pages created that included threatening and derogatory comments about specific school staff that has gotten people in trouble. And we want to be aware of the consequences associated with posting on these websites and other platforms, so that so if these are taken to court and you're involved in it, then you don't have to be associated with it. But you also want to be aware of schools having the authority to be able to discipline students in some instances for cyberbullying, both on and off campus. And there's various ways to prevent cyberbullying. So we want to look at the following strategies for preventing cyberbullying. If you know that it's happening, report it to the school, collect evidence, report it to the site, app, or game, talk to a trusted adult, demonstrate care, work together, tell the cyberbullier to stop, don't encourage it, stay safe, and don't give up. Fight cyberbullying with courage, compassion, bravery, hope, and reporting. And also speak up, stand up, and stay away from cyberbullying. And just some last thoughts. According to Fraser 2013, your influence and attitude can make a difference. And these are the references that were used throughout the presentation. Thanks.